Do you want to know how you can log into your Umass Payroll account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Umass Payroll account. First of all, open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Umass Payroll Login. Then click on this link, which is called Umass Memorial Health. And then it will take you to the official login portal of Umass, where you can see some of the options like Memorial, Med, Net, etc. So you can access all of these. So go ahead and write down your username or your email address in the first box over here. Then go to the password section and write down your password associated with your Umass Payroll account. Then check your password and select your server or your Umass mode and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Umass Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and you can reset your account or recover your account once again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.